In this video, I'll show you two different ways that you can pair your iPhone to your new Pioneer InDash receiver through Bluetooth. Even though your particular InDash receiver may be a 1-DIN model or a 2-DIN model and may or may not have a built-in CD player, the button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer Audio InDash receiver models: MVH-S320BT and 322BT, MVH-S420BT, MVH-S522BS, MVH-S620BS and 622BS, MVH-S722BS, DEH-S 4200BT and 4220BT, DEH-S 5200BT, DEH-S 6200BS and 6220BS, DEH-S 7200BHS, FH-S520BT, FH-S722BS and 722BS. It's super easy to pair your iPhone to your new Pioneer InDash receiver through Bluetooth. So we're just going to get started by using the phone to search for the receiver. So go to the phone settings and open up Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is switched on. Now that is going to search for devices. Now you can have the radio on right now to the AM/FM radio source, but you don't really have to as long as the InDash receiver is powered up. As soon as we find the InDash receiver, FH-S722BS is this one. Make sure you pick the correct receiver for your particular application. And that will generate a pairing request. So this number here, 450131, same number over here. So we're going to say pair on the phone and connect, push in on the volume control to confirm that for the InDash receiver. We'll allow it to synchronize the contacts. And on my iPhone, I've already had the Pioneer Smart Sync app installed. So this starts up the Pioneer Smart Sync app automatically, and I'll say OK here. And you can see that that brings up another pairing request for an iPhone. So this is 981509. I'm going to type that number in here. So 981509, and we'll say pair. And now the two devices are paired through the Smart Sync app as well. And the phone, the phone has already set the clock here, and we will allow it to do notifications. So you can tell that your phone is connected when you see the Bluetooth logo lit up in blue right here. And I also have the app logo lit up in blue as well that lets me know the Smart Sync app is actively connected to the InDash receiver. All right, so now I've reset the InDash receiver so that it forgets all of the phones that were connected to it, and I've erased all the phones out, or all of the InDash receivers, I should say, out of the phone's Bluetooth memory. So pretty much these two things have never seen each other before, and we're going to start from the beginning. This time, though, we're going to start the search process from the InDash receiver and search for the phone. So I'm just going to touch the telephone button here, and that says Add Device and Searching. It automatically went into searching because they have no devices are connected. Now, it's really important here. Open up the Bluetooth window on your phone. When you open up the Bluetooth window on your phone, it makes your phone visible to other devices that are searching for it. If you don't open up the Bluetooth window here, the radio won't be able to find your phone. There's MVH-S320BT, but that's not the one I want. So I'll turn my dial, Harry's iPhone. That's what I'm looking for. I'll press in on the volume control, and that's going to generate a pairing request. 130677, same number over here. So we'll say pair on the phone and confirm yes on the InDash receiver. And the two devices will be paired. We're going to allow it to sync contacts. You can see that it automatically started the Pioneer Smart Sync app that I have installed on my phone. I'll say OK here. And that will generate the pairing request for the Smart Sync app. So the number here is 802799. We'll just type that in, 802799, and we'll say pair. And now the Smart Sync app is paired to the InDash receiver, and we'll allow notifications. So I can see that I have Bluetooth connected here. Well, because I have the Bluetooth logo and the app is connected because I have the app logo lit up in blue here, and we're good to go.